Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm going to show you how to drill a hole in tile. The best way to do it, there's a couple different tools that you can use. There's a little diamond hole saw, and then you can also use these cement bits, which work fine. And I'm going to show you the best way how to drill holes through tile so that you can put up a handlebar. So you need a spray bottle with water, and then even if you're going to come to eventually a bigger hole, you want to use a smaller one of these cement bits first, and then just come back in with the other sizes and progressively make it bigger. So we've already got our mark. We got a mark right there, and I'm just going to try to get it started using the drill set on the hammer setting. Okay, got it started. Then you're just going to do that the whole time. That's it. So the key is the water, the spray bottle of water, and then applying a lot of pressure. And some tiles are harder than others, so you might go through real easy, and some might be harder than this. But that's how you do it. Thanks for checking this out.